So currently sitting in the cell phone lot. It's like 9 p.m. and my parents are flying in. So just waiting for them. Yeah, just chilling out here. And then we'll pick them up, hopefully in a couple minutes. All right, good morning everyone. So picked up my parents last night. We kind of just like were hanging out and catching up and everything. It's currently the next morning, Thursday morning, and they are out at Home Depot because the toilet got clogged last night by somebody that is not me. And so they had to go get a plunger, and then I think they're picking up some other stuff and breakfast. So they're off doing that. I have to work today, but then tomorrow we're probably gonna go out and explore, and hopefully the weather will be They've returned with the essentials. I've been waiting to go to the bathroom, but they've made it.
Dig on into this biscuit. You haven't tried a sausage
Savory
biscuit yet.
pancakes, biscuit, burrito.
Yeah.
We can pick up some more.
I was telling
Some more good ones. Home goods. Time for shopping / returning pillows.
There's kind of a arched round one. What about this one too? And against your white brick.
Successful mission. Also, look at how spooky the mountains are. Got the goods. The Costco goods. And the home goods. Overall successful little expedition with the parents' credit card.
As a 61-year-old to then be able to get up off the floor.
You know, 61 years young, Mom. I'm just trying to keep you strong without that bench right there for you.
Is that good core work?
Definitely good core work. Probably good for the back too.
Yeah. Me too.
I heard it told by a mother, oh, she could try it. With the paroxine and a bottle of gin, she was wise to it.
Wow,
Talking
beautiful.
about this girl like an old song, she could try it. Blessed by the bed where she laid her head and gone to a door. It was suicide Saturday.
First stop of the day. Red Rocks that are looking more white today. But going here and then maybe doing a hike and then going to REI and generally just exploring before a bunch of snow comes. Let me just screenshot or two here if we wanted to get the.
Can you get it from here, Em? Can you zoom in enough?
Oh yeah, baby, we got some fossils. Prehistoric crocodiles are making those tracks up right there.
It could be anywhere around here.
It really could. Better watch out. Keep your eyes peeled.
They'll eat you.
Yeah, so we're now at Dinosaur Ridge. We're at Red Rocks earlier. Came over here to see some fossils. Oh, more fossils. Look at this.
Impression of tree branch. What do do you think? Do you think it's this?
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think?
Like that, and then that little ridge coming up. Fun!
Fossils.
Wow!
Fossils are fun.
See something cool every day. Am I right? Woo! More prehistoric crocodile footmarks. Fun stuff.
Okay, Stegosaurus.
Mission accomplished. It's making a car. Okay, I got some brownies. So we have mint chocolate chip, or minty choc, turtle, and double fudge brownie. And triple chocolate here. Kava.
Want to know what a bison rib looks like?
Yeah, we got some bison ribs here. So basically, we went on a hike today. Coming back for dinner, ordered out at Takaba, Native American restaurant. Basically, we got bison ribs with a blueberry sauce.
That's smoked.
Delicious. Yeah.
Smoky.
Then beans with cheese, a green chili pork soup chili
It's a
type
bowl.
of thing.
It's a stew,
Stew.
but yeah.
And then
Bison salad with bison on it and pinto beans and pozole.
But talk
Okay.
about this char and
yeah. But I mean, let's go back to the
No.
the bison.
stealing the show. Oh yeah, you gotta then
not
look
donut,
at the
fried
it's like a
bread.
fried bread, but it tastes kind of like a beignet minus the powdered sugar because it's sweet and fried
Beignet
and
from-
delicious.
You mean the French Quarter in Louisiana?
Yes.
Isn't it amazing
exactly.
how our cultures all merge?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, anyway, going back to the star of the show, the bison rib. Like, just look at that. Ooh,
Amazing char.
delicious char. It just really hits home with the sweeter smoky blueberry
It's
sauce,
lean.
and it's lean,
Oh.
but it's not dry. You know, it's pretty good. I'd recommend. Highly recommend. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday now. Still hasn't snowed. Like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like being from Wisconsin, like when it says it's gonna like be a big dump of snow, it already happens like, you know, at night. Or we're just kind of waiting around for it. But went for a walk this morning. It was kind of gross out. Came back, made some breakfast. This was my dad's breakfast of leftover food with eggs and toast.
Enchiladas.
Yeah.
Enchiladas, beans,
Yeah.
flautas.
You might have to be banished to one apartment
Outside.
today.
With all the beans.
Yeah. But I think some stuff we're gonna do today is we're gonna put this actually in the pot, have some other stuff to put in those. Just kinda hang out, I guess. Nothing super exciting. We got cilantro, which is going in this thing. Basil, and this guy. And then the big guy that we need to actually put in the pot. Planting the basil, and it's finally started to snow. So it begins.
Yeah, I heard that. Not too much more, dear.
Anything that's burnt has to come off, honey.
No, it doesn't.
No, I want him to still look a little fluffy.
Well, yeah, there's plenty of fluff that's healthy, but this stuff right here, look, you don't want that.
I don't know, he looks pretty green. Hey, oh my gosh, I am cutting you off.
Look how nice this is in the middle.
Come on.
And all the rest
He doesn't look like Cousin Ed anymore. It's kind of sad.
Plenty good. See, I would take that one. Look how ratty that is.
Fine.
Right? Ratty green, that's a dark green.
Just an artist here working with his medium.
Bonsai. Oh.
No.
I'll leave you one.
Hands down,
I'll
hands
leave you
down.
one, but mark my words. He's gonna
That one branch is gonna take the whole plant down.
You gonna document breaking the geode as well?
Yeah, we're going outside. In breaking, we got a geode yesterday at Red Rocks. We're gonna crack her open.
It's a local geode from Morocco.
Yes. Let's boogie. All right, geode in there. Yeah, we got a hammer. Apparently we're supposed to hit it moderately to crack it open.
You want to wrap this around it?
I don't know, I feel like
Just go for
just
it?
this, yeah.
Okay. You know,
Wait,
the
you wanna?
document.
I feel like I gotta line her up.
Got your safety glasses on?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Once. I feel like, okay, this and then down. Do you think that's like a good
Yep.
moderate amount?
Yep. Uh-oh. Glancing blow.
Glancing blow.
The break? Okay, get your target. Ooh, that was a good one.
Nope. I do it with a pointy end?
Nope. I got it. Didn't it?
There's some white, but I don't think so.
Nope. Darn.
Ooh.
That sounded good.
Oh, yep. Turn business.
Oh yeah. So
There
do you have
we
a
go.
geode in there?
Ooh. Woo! That's a good one. Okay. Got one more baby guy. Those are fun, little crystals.
There you go.
Cool!
Success.
Success! We'll bring it in and show Mom. Look at... Ah! Ah!
Various things.
Sure. All right, we're venturing out into the snowstorm of the century. Or not the century, of the last like 5 years. Oh my gosh. Wow, yeah. Oh my God, you can hardly, it's like a whiteout. Can hardly see anything. Anyway, we're just going over to the little pizza spot that's like right behind that wall. Check it out. Brooklyn's finest pizza or something. I don't know, we'll see. See how it is. Got a calzone and a pizza. So. All right, we got the goods. It's this calzone. Okay, yep. Wait, Dad, do you want to grab the Parmesan and the peppers or whatever from your
Yeah.
there? Oh, cracking open the beer. About that time.
I think there were some or some of the,
Yeah. All right, snowstorm has started. You look outside. It looks like there's some good accumulation. But we're gonna head out and take a little walk just to see how snowy it is. Maybe pick up some mac and cheese on the way.
And a sub sandwich?
And a sub sandwich for lunch. If the place is open, which they were gonna try to stay open. So that's what we are up to. I'm ready. Let go. Got the bigger boots on. Goggles. Y'all suckers. I guess you got glasses, but
yeah, but they just
Dad, you got nothing. Dad, you want to at least want a hat?
I got it.
Oh, okay, good. All right, this is what I was talking about yesterday. There's just someone skiing down the sidewalk. Family walk. Everyone get in. Just taking a little cruise in the Denver snowstorm.
Apple fritters in.
Yum.
Apple lug fritters.
Ooh, baby, look at that stuff. Yummy.
You'll be back. Here, 4 a.m. sharp.
All right, so we got 12 inches at least of snow, you know, here for, you can't really tell, but you know. This guy wanted to go for a drive.
Always up for an adventure.
Yeah, just to test it out. Yeah, you can see how far we got right there before we bottomed out, even in the RAV4. Yep, you can see where we got a little stuck. I guess we did get up to there, and then yeah, we couldn't get back.
Steve, when you got up to there, what did you get stuck because you think the bottom got stuck and lifted your wheels?
Yeah.
We lost a little bit of momentum. That was my fault, but
I didn't want to say anything, Em,
but still, this was a bad endeavor to begin with. All right,
endeavor.
Bad endeavor,
When I came out, I was
mistake,
like, not
shame on you.
The
Yeah,
cone of shame.
the cone of shame. Anyway.
Little pizza boxes and blankets.
Yeah, and one of my neighbors came down and with her dog and saw us, and she donated a shovel to the cause.
And now look at how
But-
good you look.
Yeah, now we're all
Ready to go
cleared,
for
ready to go for tomorrow. All right, so just dropped my parents back off at the airport. Ended up not being as big of a deal as we thought it was going to be with all the snow that we had gotten, because a lot of it had melted by the time their flight left like this afternoon. So yeah, did that. It's a good weekend, good seeing them. Hopefully we'll keep vlogging my various adventures out here. But until next time, adios.